Hi, so in this video, I will guide you how you can update some of the stuff on the website for yourself. I have already shared with you how you can maintain the automation stuff that is going under this automatic section. So now there are two different like settings you want me to guide for you. So for that, let's explore the ad settings for this. Let's say we open up the website and let me show you how you can add these ads into your website, how you can update these ads, and it's very much simple. For this, you need to on home page, you need to go to pages section and then find you can say this is the front page and it's built in with Elementor. So all you need to do is to just click on edit with Elementor. So remember, it's a precaution for you. Don't touch or do anything extra because this can destroy the design of the website. So be careful while editing on home page. So this is kind of the stuff you will see on the home page. So for example, I need to update this ad. For this, you need to click on this edit button, and here you can place code from backend, or you can simply click on this script code and replace that with your custom code. So for example, if you have any affiliate kind of code or any other script, so it should be this size 970, or like you can say in a rectangle shape, not on vertical, it's a rectangle ad. So you can similarly you can edit this ad as well, and this ad as well. You can see this is a Amazon ad already added, and similarly this ad as well, and then go back over this ad well. So you can click on this and paste your script code, or if you have an image ad, you can click on this image and replace image along with link. You can do that as well. So let's keep it to script. So don't forget to click on update. So this is the home page ad settings. So how you can do that, the header ad settings. For that, you need to go back to home page and then click on this customize section. A customizer will open up, and now scroll down and uh, find an option called JNEWS advertisement option, and here you can see header ads. So this either you can place your script code or image, whatever you like to have, so you can do that. And similarly you can explore the article ads as well on top, below, so it's all up to you, so you can do that. And category ads as well, so you can play around other ad settings as well. So this is for the ad settings. Now let's close and get back to how you can add Amazon products. I have opened up uh, Amazon.com, and you need to do some kind of configuration into your browser. The first one is you need to go to this Zone section. click on this section, and you need to click on this Google Chrome extension, and you can download from here, or you can get it from, yeah, maybe yes, from here, Chrome, Google Chrome extension. Let's see, we open up, so you can add that was on no PA, and so I have already added. And once you add it to Chrome, so again you will come up over this section, Google Chrome, and then refresh, and you will see this kind of option will appear, authorize this website, and you just need to click on this option, and then it will be configured in your browser as well. So now how you can add Amazon products. For example, I need to add any of these dresses, just to show you. Let's say this one, I need to like publish add like product into your website. So you can see this import product, and this option will automatically appear up over here. Just click on import product and some options. So you just need to click on product, simple product, and check this option, and you must need to add a deal category. If you want to add more categories, I'll show you in a while. Just click on this, and it will automatically publish to your website. So let's see what we have. Go to product section, and here you can see our recently products we have already showing over here, right? So even you can open up and check. Yes, this product is coming from Amazon. So how you can add multiple categories from for Amazon? So you just need to go to categories section, categories, and you can add as many categories as you want. And then next time into import category, this category will automatically show over here. So you can import product to relevant category. So I hope it makes sense, and I have like cleared some of important aspects of the website. Again, another thing, if you want to add up your own contents, you just need to click on this all post, and you can simply just click on add new post and give it some title to your article, and then place the text over here, and then don't forget to choose the relevant category or like blog, and then choose the featured image from here, set feature from your computer, upload it, and then click publish. It will be published to your website. So I hope it makes sense, and I have cleared your questions. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.